In the previous video, we saw the simplest connection chain possible with a single encoder and a single decoder. Now that you understand the basics, let's see how things evolve. In a real-world AV over IP project, you'll have dozens of endpoints working together. Once your network is set up, adding new endpoints is as simple as plugging them into the switch. It's a true plug-and-play experience. As soon as a new device is connected, the controller recognizes it and it's ready to use. When you fill up all the ports on your switch, you can easily expand by connecting additional switches to the first one. Setting up the link between them is very simple, and once connected, the switches work together as a single network. You can add a bunch of switches this way, giving you plenty of extra ports to work with. Because the system recognizes them as one unified network, you still only need a single controller. Whenever you plug in a new endpoint into any switch, the controller recognizes it and it's ready to go. Now, let's imagine a single network switch setup with 5 encoders and 5 decoders. I want to show you the flexibility of the NHD in action. Of course, as we said, you can send any of the 5 sources to any display or any single source to multiple displays at once. You have total freedom when it comes to routing signals. Now, let's say you want to combine 4 displays into a 2x2 layout to show a single image stretched across all of them. This is what we call a video wall. All you need to do is define the video wall in the controller's dashboard, and that's it. Any source can now be shown across the 4 displays. Now, let's suppose you want your 5th display to show multiple sources at once. Well, that's what we call multi-view. Again, open the controller's dashboard, configure that decoder for multi-view, and it's ready to go. You can now display multiple sources on the same display with a variety of layouts to choose from. Now, once everything is set up, your switch, endpoints, video wall, multi-view, a great next step is adding wireless access point. Just plug it into the switch and you'll be able to reach the controller over Wi-Fi. That means you don't have to keep your laptop plugged into the switch at all times. You can simply connect over Wi-Fi whenever you need to tweak some settings. At this point, you can also add a tablet with our NetworkHD Touch app. This is a free iOS and Android app that lets you route signals in your NHD system. Just download it, connect to the controller through the access point, and start routing sources to displays. This is actually a perfect way to hand over a finished project to your customer. This way they can control the entire system without needing to use the controller's dashboard. Last but not least, let's talk about the external control systems. The NHD controller includes a dedicated control port that makes integration simple. Just connect your external control system there and start sending commands. As I said earlier, we offer pre-built drivers for the most popular players, including Crestron, QSys, Control4, RTI, AMX, and others. You can download them from support.wyrestorm.com. For total flexibility, the NetworkHD Open RESTful API is also available on the Support Hub. It gives you the freedom to integrate with any control system using simple API commands.